you're gonna still see me in this same shirt, the same eye look, the same lips. Because I'm trying to like knock out these videos. I have a lot of subscriptions here that I need to like get these videos out and put these things away because there's just so much, and my makeup room is like overwhelming right now. Woo woo woo. All right, anywho, I have a brand new video for you, as you read down below. It is my Liveglam Lippie and a Brush Club collection. Woohoo! They're here. These were actually here a long time ago, and I think like a week ago or something like that. So I'm barely filming it now. But anywho, before we get into that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video, as well as follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Total Beauty Subscription. Alright guys, all right, here are this is the Brush Club. I love these packaging, and then the Lippie Club. They really definitely changed the bubble wrap, because before you were in the black one. So I'm excited. It's awesome. Okay, now I did not get my palette for this month because it's already the next 2 months. I guess they're waiting for the shipment or something like that. They did email us, but they hold off like charging my account and stuff like that, which is really nice. They let us know, and instead of charging us now, they're just gonna wait until everything gets back, I guess, into routine. All right, but we're here for the brush and the Lippie Club. Okay, so guys, hopefully let's get into talking about what these clubs are. We have the brush and the Lippie. The brush and the Lippie are about $20 a month, and you get over $30 worth of products. And I've always tell you how much. So we're gonna start off with the Liveglam Morphe Me Brush Club here. And let's open this bad boy up and see what I got this month, because I have no clue. Usually I'm good at like remembering to like, you know, check it out, but sometimes I like to be surprised. You know, you gotta be surprised. All right, so here we go. All right. Here is this month's theme. Cherry Crush. And guess what, guys? I think it followed through the theme, because I'm going to film it for you guys. I got the Morphe Coca-Cola collection. And it's here. So that's coming up too, of like the Coca-Cola collection. I can't wait to talk about it. So I think this is what it's all about. This is Cherry Crush Liveglam Brush Club, May 2021. And here it is. A collection you'll cherish forever. XOXO Liveglam Beauty Unbox. They didn't really talk about it much, but here are the brushes that I got. So yeah, let's go into this. Okay, so we got 4 brushes, and I'm gonna take them out of the packaging. Also, every month for your brush club, your brushes are gonna come individually packaged, which is awesome because that's safer and stuff like that, sanitizing wipes and everything. But they're always like this, and they also give a little, like, they tell you what the brushes is, the number and stuff like that. But on the brush itself, it does give you the number as well. Okay, let me open these up. Here we go. So the first brush that I have here, it is the M504 large pointer blender. Oh my god, I can't talk right now. Oversized taper crease brush with a fluffy head and a light touch for blending. Ooh, I love brushes like this. It feels really, really nice. Awesome. Okay, and then the next one we got is the M165. This is an angle liner and brow, a brush that knows a thing or two about clean brows, and a sharp liner. Oh, this one actually feels soft. I like that. I don't like the hard bristle types because I feel like they pull my hair for my eyebrows, but this feels really, really nice. And then especially you want it like really soft, so it's not tugging on your eyes here. Then you get crow's feet. Okay. All right, and then this one is the 210. This is a small chisel fluff. A little babe that can throw major shade and handle the teeny tiny details. Oh yes, definitely. Okay, that looks nice. Feels very, very nice. And then the last one I have here is the M444. This is a deluxe definition blender. This Dome Buff is probably the most dense packed foundation brush you will find on the market. I'm gonna say I have something like this. So, oh yeah, that feels really, really nice, and it's really dense. So yeah, that completes all my Morphe Liveglam. Let's move on. Brush. We have the Lippie Club here. Let me get my scissors. Oh no, here it is. Here's the opening. As always, it comes in this little pouch, which I love. And then it says Cherry Licious. Oh my god, this looks so exciting. May 2021, Liveglam Lippie Club. Life is short, make it sweet. These 3 mouth-watering shades are the cherry on top of any makeup look. Stay glam. And I'm excited. These colors look amazing. Oh, up my alley big time. Oh my god. You wait till you see this, guys. Ah, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Okay, let's go to the first one. Let's do this one first. Here it is. Look at that packaging with the cherries on top. Here they are. Oh my goodness. Okay, which one are you? So this is Wild Cherry, a sweet and delicious red matte lippie that will flatter any spring look. Oh my goodness. Let's do a swatch, guys. I have been using Liveglam's lippies, and they are really nice. They feel really nice on the lips. They last a very long time, and they're just amazing quality. Like, they feel very, very nice. That color is amazing. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to put that on. Okay, the next thing here, again, it's in the cherry package. This is the Sweet and Juicy, a vigorous Marlet red gloss for a juicy, fabulous pout. So we got a lip gloss here. Ooh. Ooh, this is so pretty. It reminds me of like wine, a wine color. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so pretty. Like, seriously, if you don't have the Lippie Club collection, go get it. Like, this is really, really pretty. And then the last thing we have here, and it has like hearts all around it. This is super cute. This is the Cranberry Lush, a luscious red, a ripe liner to a cute, I can't say this word, your Cupid's bow, and assure your lips are always smudge proof. I do not have any of their lippies, so this is going to be like the first time that I'm going to try one of their lippies here. Ooh, look at that. I love the packaging. It has hearts all over it, and that's what it looks like. And here it is. So it is one of those like to sharpen. It does remind me of ColourPop, I want to say. That is so pretty. Of course, it's going to pair very well with the red Wild Cherry matte liquid lipstick. That is really, really nice. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, look at it. I just noticed it has a cherry right there on top. Super, super cute. I'm excited for my Lippie collection here. These are really, really gorgeous, and I think they're going to be very fun to wear, you know, with the natural eye look, and just have this pop. This for sure just pop on your lips. I'm excited. Alright guys, that's everything that I got in my Liveglam Brush Club collection here, and my Liveglam Lippie Club collection here. Let me know down below, what did you think of this month's May 2021 Lippie and Brush Club from Liveglam? What did you think? Was it a great set? I think it is. Like I said, if you want to build up your brush collection or you want to build up your lippy collection, Liveglam is for you. Like, their products are amazing, so go check them out. Alright guys, that's everything that I have for you for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and as well follow me on Instagram and Facebook at D Soto Beauty Subscription. Alright my loves, please be safe out there, stay healthy, and I will see you all on the next one. Lots of love. Bye. Mwah.